Hello guys, I saw a video where a baby is talking to the podcast and it is viral right now. So I thought I'll just try it and see how does it go. Do you want to make a video like this, which is very viral in the social media right now? So if you want to make a video like this, then this video is for you. So first go to the ChatGPT, then attach an image here, then write this prompt, then press enter. Once you press the enter, then ChatGPT will create an image for you, which looks like your image. Then download this image and go to the Hedra.com. I'll put the link of this website on the description. You can check out from there as well. Then what you have to do is click on start frame, then upload the image that you have got from the chat GPT. Then on the audio script, you can upload the audio if you have audio ready. If not, then you can record audio. And once you record the audio, then you can also choose the different voice other than your voice. But if you want original voice, then you can use edit it. After that, just write this prompt and then press enter. What it will do is now it will create a video for you with the image that you provided from here and the audio that is recorded from here, and the video will be like this. Hello guys, I saw a video and the video is ready. I hope you like the video and you can use this video anywhere, wherever you like. Thank you.